All right. So in this video, we will talk about more in depth about Weezly. We will go through the navigation, some of the functions, so you will understand how you can navigate through the tool and really understand what is what and where is what. So let's get started. Now, as you remember, the three icons is automated videos, and then we have the screencast, screen recording, and then we have the scheduling. And if we talk about a little bit here about the scheduling, you will also see, if you hover over your mouse, all your upcoming meetings. So anything that anyone books, any meeting with you through Weezly will be shown here. Now, if we go back to automated videos, some of the things we see here, you will see an icon. This means that we have generated unlimited videos. So when you see an icon like this, that means we have generated 50, 100, 10,000 potential videos. If we look at some of the videos, if we go into one of these campaigns, so what we have done is we have generated tens of thousands of videos, and what we can do is click on one of the videos to preview it. Also what we can click on the button here, and then we will see the preview of the video we have generated. Now, another thing that we can do here is we can copy this link and then we can share it with potential client. And what we have done here is when we have generated this campaign is also show that we have added a booking page. So when we preview this video and when we send it to potential lead, they will be able to book a meeting with us. Okay. And Weezly has also an option that we can also share these campaigns through potential tools. So if you want to send tens of thousands of these videos to our potential clients, we can use one of these tools to send them. And we will go more in depth in other videos on how we can do this. Okay. Now that is automated videos. We have a little bit of settings here, some of the statistics for each video, if it has been watched and how many people have been watching each campaign. And you can also download each video to your PC if you have generated them. And the other part that we have is a single automated sales video. So you can create a single one like this. And here what you can do is then select the video message, and I will go more in depth in the other video how you will create a single automated video. But those which you have generated a single automated sales video, they will be shown down here. And what you can do also as well, you can create the folders, and then you can just quickly move these videos into different folders and organize them. So we will come back to automated sales videos. If we go then to screencast, that's basically a screen recording. So you have our Chrome extension. Let's see if it works now because I'm already doing screen recording. Yes, hey, there we go. So I can record the screen. I can change different shapes here, sizes and formats. And then let's see, a little bit smaller. There we go. We can move it left and right, and I can record a video and it looks like this. And when I preview this, then I can just send this to someone, and I can also change the title, for example, like this. So when I send this, there we go. And one thing that Weezly really does well, where it stands out, is once you have generated this video, as you remember the booking page, what we can then add is a booking page next to this video. So I just enabled one, and if I preview this video again, it will then you will see that we have just added the booking page. And now what I can do, I can just quickly send this video to someone. So I have a copy and paste here in an email. So if I go to my Gmail, for example, and I just quickly compose an email like this, I can just pass things in, and I can send a very nice GIF image to this potential client, and they can see this video. Cool. And then we have this. Then we have the scheduling part, and we have a booking page basically. So you can send this booking page, and if you preview it, basically what you can do is share this with someone and they can book a meeting with you. And what Weezly really has is that you can record one of these messages in the tool, and so people understand the purpose of this meeting. And the other part that we have is actually one of my favorite things, is actually propose time for a meeting, which I talked earlier about. So basically you will see all your events, and then you can propose a few times for a meeting, hit create. And then what you can do is just copy this link or copy these times, go to your email. Let me remove this one here, or let me just write the new one. There we go. And I can just copy and paste this and then send this to potential client, and they can just click on one of the times I proposed and book a meeting with me. Pretty cool. And then we have the group invite. That is where people can vote when to have a meeting, and website widget, which we talked about. Basically, it's one of these widget video message, and let me show you just right here. So how we can do this. So there is a video message, so website widget, so I can add one of these on my website, and then people can actually book a meeting with me. So that is what those functions are. And then Of course, we have the settings which we went through. You can enable 2FA, your billing, and also we have our API. Pretty cool. And then you can have your analytics, etc. See how many meetings have been booked, etc. So that was very quick. And one other thing just to mention, our Chrome extension, extremely powerful. And one of the reasons I mentioned you should install it, because we integrated it directly into Gmail, LinkedIn, Pipedrive, etc. So if I just show Gmail right here, so I can just click on this icon, Weezly, I can send a link to my booking page directly to someone and they can book a meeting, or I can propose times directly from Gmail with my potential clients from here. So that is a little bit what Weezly can do in detail, and tons of more options. So I will talk more about that in depth very, very soon. So you really need to make sure to get the Weezly Chrome extension. And that's it. Weezly is really super simple to use. We made it extremely easy, and really usability is top notch. So I think what we will do is basically we will talk more in depth on each function in further videos to understand them more in detail. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.